Hello everyone, my name is Victor. Thank you for watching my video. I am in Huánuco, Peru. It is the month of December and it is winter. In this video, I am talking about the weather and the clothes I am wearing. The weather in Huánuco is usually cool and cloudy in winter. Today it is a little cold and cloudy. It is not raining, but the sky is gray. Sometimes it is windy, especially in the morning. Right now I am wearing work clothes. I am wearing a black jacket because it is cold, and the jacket I am wearing a sweater. The sweater is gray and comfortable. I am wearing blue jeans. On my feet, I am wearing black sneakers. In conclusion, the weather in Huánuco is cool and cloudy, and I am wearing work clothes. I like this season because the weather is calm. Thank you very much for watching my video.